Hey there, everyone! I've discovered this amazing AI image generator tool that's going head-to-head with Midjourney. What's cool about it is that it offers a free access plan for a lifetime, and the images it creates are seriously awesome. But before we dive into that, I just wanted to give a big shout-out to all of you for the incredible support you've shown for this video. If you haven't watched it yet, definitely give it a go, because I talked about 5 super cool AI image generator tools that you'll love. Just head over to this website and either log in or sign up using your Google account. After you've logged in, you'll be directed to a page where you'll find lots of pre-generated images. But since we're aiming to create our own image, click on AI image generation. Now this is where the magic happens. You'll need to provide a prompt to generate your desired image. But don't worry if you're not great at coming up with prompts, because this tool has you covered. You can click on the prompt generation option. For instance, let's say you want to generate an image of a gorilla. Just type gorilla as your prompt, and the tool will give you prompts to help create your image. When you're ready, hit the generate button, and voila, you'll have your generated image. But here's an extra tip. You can also get prompts from ChatGPT. Take this prompt I got from ChatGPT, for example. Let's see what results we get. Until it is generating the results, I'd love to hear your thoughts on the next video you'd like to see on our channel. Drop your suggestions in the comment box, and we'll work on bringing them to life as quickly as we can. Your input means a lot to us. Now let's return to our video. Wow, doesn't that look even more lifelike? Once you've picked the image you like, simply click on it, and you can download it. Plus, there's a neat option to remove the background for some extra tokens. The moment you've all been waiting for, how to make money from this. I've got 2 methods for you. First, you can dive into freelancing. Let's take Fiverr as an example. A quick search for AI image generator shows people offering image generation services using AI, and they're charging quite well. The cool thing is, you don't even need a paid tool subscription because businesses provide access to these tools. Now, if you're subscribed to a paid tool, here's the goldmine. You can earn a passive income by selling your AI-generated art online. Check out websites like this one, where you can sell art created by tools like Midjourney. This way, you could rake in a substantial amount of cash.